Welcome STEM scientists. Today we're going to be making oobleck. For this particular recipe you're going to need a cup of cornstarch, a half a cup of water, and a couple drops of food dye, and something to mix and measure with. So we're going to start by measuring out 1 cup of cornstarch. I'm doing this experiment outdoors so that if I spill some, it's just going to spill on the ground. So there's a half a cup. And another half cup. That will give me a full cup. We're going to mix into that a half a cup of water. And then some drops of food dye. I'm going to start with 5. I don't really know how many it's going to take. And then we're going to mix.
Oh my word!
So
It's like it's hard, but it's not hard.
Alright, tell me what you know about oobleck.
Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, which basically means when you interact with it calmly, like how I'm slowly moving my fingers through this, it's like a liquid. But when you punch it, it's a solid. But when you're calm with it, it feels like a liquid. And it's a non-Newtonian fluid, and how it works is all the molecules, when you interact with it slowly, they can flow around your hand. But when you hit them really hard, all the molecules basically align and turn into a solid.
It's hard when you punch at it.
What did you say? It's hard when you punch it?
Yeah, and the bottom of it feels like it's hard, but when you pull it up, it just turns into liquid.
So when you apply pressure to it, it turns into a solid. But if you're not applying pressure to it,
it becomes
it's a liquid.
I'm going to try to lift this whole bowl before I make a mess. Oh.
Ooh. Feels kind of like slime, but still not like slime.
I've wanted to make oobleck for so long. My arm is tired.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's so fun. Feels like slime, but then not like slime at the same time.
Mm-hmm. And what did you say your teacher in 3rd grade told you?
Well, this is oobleck, but it's not really like 100% oobleck until you basically let it sit like for a few hours, and then you can see it separate, and then you pour some of the water off, then it will become more sticky and gooey.
We left ours out in the sun during a hot summer day, and I think we obviously left ours out too long because ours hardened almost like solid chalk. Oobleck is a really cool substance that sometimes acts like a liquid and sometimes like a solid. It's fun to play with and experiment with because of this property. Try picking up a handful and squeezing it. Then stop squeezing and it will drip down your fingers. Rest your fingers on top of the ooze and let them sink down to the bottom, and then try and lift them quickly. You may have noticed Justin trying something like this when he was lifting the bowl from the inside. So what is happening? Oobleck is made up of tiny solid particles of cornstarch suspended in water. When you move your hand slowly through the oobleck, the water particles have time to move out of the way. However, when you move quickly or press hard, the water molecules become trapped between the cornstarch molecules and they temporarily become a solid. This is what's known as a non-Newtonian fluid.